Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to delete server on Discord. First of all, go to your Discord application. Then there you can see menu icon on the bottom of the page. Then find the server you want to delete. Here I'm deleting the server that is named test. I created this server for tutorial purpose, so I'm deleting it now. On the right side of the server name, you can see three dots, tap on it, and then the panel pops up from the bottom of the page. Pull it up and there you can see the settings icon. Tap on it and then it takes you to settings page. Now on the first option you can see overview. Tap on it and there you can see the name of the server. Go to the bottom of the page and there you can see delete server option. Tap on it and then it asks you if you are sure you want to delete the server and the action cannot be undone. Tap on yes and then the server will be deleted forever. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.